Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Manmohit. In today's video, I am going to show you how can you rotate your video in Wondershare Filmora. You can either rotate it clockwise, anti-clockwise, or even you can flip your video very easily. So without wasting any further ado, let's dive straight into it. So that's the interface of Wondershare Filmora. Now in order to flip a video or in order to rotate a video, let's just select one video out of the given ones. Let's say I select this particular video. Hold that video and drop it onto the timeline. Once you have the video on your timeline, what you need to do is simply double click on the video, and in the video section on the top left corner, you will see few options. The very first option would be for the transform. Now when you click on that, you will see the very first option saying rotate. Now you have two different options with you. Either you can just drag the slider on the right hand side based on your requirement like this, or if you want, you can just put a number depending on your requirement. Let's say if I want to flip this video or if I want to rotate this video clockwise 90 degrees, so I can just type in the number 90, hit enter, and it will automatically just rotate that video to 90 degrees. Or let's say if you have made a mistake and you want to revert back to the previous scenario, you can either click on this undo option, or you can just click on Ctrl+Z on your keyboard and it will revert it back. Now another thing is the thing that I use the most. Depending on your camera, sometimes you are not happy with the angle of your video. In that scenario, you want to flip your video. Now what you can do is there's an option right here, the very first option of the flip. Now when you click on that, just watch how the video moves like this. So it won't rotate the video 180 degrees or 360 degrees. It'll just flip the video, or in the simple terms, it will mirror your video. So this is extremely crucial, especially if you are recording with your front camera of your smartphone, because this is what I've seen most of the cases, that when you record using your front camera of your smartphones, it doesn't come out that good, or it will flip the video. So in order to revert back, you can use this flip command from Wondershare Filmora. And again, if you're not happy with the result, you can just click on the very same option again and it will revert it back. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got what you were looking for. With that, I'm done with this video. If you are after more of these kind of tutorials for Wondershare Filmora, do hit that subscribe button so that whenever the new videos are up, which are every week, you guys would be the first one to be getting notified about them. And with that, stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next video.